As the country is set for mega inoculation drive on 16th of January, first vial of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has arrived in Delhi via an Air India flight from Hyderabad. Second consignment of Covaxin landed in the national capital via Vistara flight. Apart from Delhi, Bharat Biotech shipped vaccines to 11 cities including Jaipur, Bengaluru, Chennai and donated 6.5 lakh doses to the government. Meanwhile, the first consignment of Covishield developed by Serum Institute arrived in Mumbai from Pune early this morning. Mumbai civic body received a total of 1.39 lakh doses of Covishield vaccine via road. The vaccines are being kept at mega storage facility in Parel. Vaccines are going to be delivered across Mumbai designated vaccination centers for the national inoculation drive, which is set for Saturday. 54.7 lakh doses of vaccines have already been received till 4 p.m. yesterday at the vaccine stores. 1.1 crore of Covishield and 55 lakh doses of Covaxin are going to be received by tomorrow in all the states and union territories.
हमारे राज्य में कुल मिला के पहले हमने 511 सेंटर्स किए थे, लेकिन कल के वीसी में इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने हमारे को कम करने का कहा, इसलिए हम 350 सेंटर्स पे हम ये वैक्सीनेशन करने जा रहे हैं.
India Today is on the ground, bringing you minute-by-minute coverage of this mega vaccination drive. Our reporters are spread across the country to bring you authentic ground report on India's vaccine rollout. Here's a look.
इस वक्त हम लोग एयरपोर्ट पे मौजूद हैं और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जा रही है जो कोवैक्सीन यहाँ पर पहुंची है वो यहाँ पर अभी निकली और आप देखिए इसे पूरी पुलिस सुरक्षा में लेकर के जाया जा रहा है. इसे सबसे पहले जो स्टोरेज बनाए गए हैं केंद्र सरकार के वहां पहुंचाया जाएगा और उसके बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए जो अलग अलग सेंटर्स है वहां पर इनको भेजा जाएगा और उसके बाद 16 जनवरी से वैक्सीनेशन की शुरुआत होगी. एयरपोर्ट पर ये तीसरी खेप है दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पर जो यहाँ पर पहुंची है. इसके पहले जो पुणे से यहाँ पर सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट की आई थी, उसके बाद हैदराबाद से ये दूसरी खेप है जो दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंची है. कैमरामैन आलोक दास के साथ हिमांशु मिश्रा.
Mumbai has received 1,39,500 vials of Covishield vaccine which has been stored here at a ward office in Parel area of Mumbai. From here, the vaccines will be circulated on 16th of January in the first day of vaccination drive. BMC had registered 1,30,000 healthcare workers for the first phase of vaccination and they have received more vials than the number of people who were registered in the first phase. There are 72 booths at 8 locations in Mumbai from where on 16th of January the vaccinations will begin. BMC is targeting to finish the entire first phase of its exercise of vaccination in 8 days. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
So the fight against Corona has reached a decisive state. Vaccines have today reached Madhya Pradesh. In fact, 5,06,000 vials of Covishield have today reached Madhya Pradesh. In Bhopal, 8 boxes have come. And as you can see, they are being shifted to this van. From here, they are going to be taken to Kilol Park, where refrigeration facilities have been arranged. And from there, according to the requirement, they would be further taken to the district headquarters. And from there to various places where they are going to be given to health workers. So in the first phase, around 5 lakh health workers are going to get vaccinated. These health workers are both from the private sector as well as from the government sector. Once this is done, the second phase would start. But right now, these vials have come in Madhya Pradesh, 8 boxes in Bhopal, and overall 5,06,000 vials have reached Madhya Pradesh, and they are being further taken to refrigeration centers. With Vijay Irshad Khan in Bhopal, Hibendra Sharma for India Today.
नए वर्ष का नव उपहार है हम सबके लिए कि एक ऐसी बीमारी जिसकी कोई इलाज नहीं था और सभी काल कवलित हो रहे थे, कॉम्प्लिकेशन झेल रहे थे. हमें खुशी है इस बात का कि हमारे प्रदेश में आज कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन आई है सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया की और 5,06,000 डोज आएंगे और 16 तारीख को हमारा पूरा प्रोग्राम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के सौजन्य से लॉन्च होगा जिसमें हमारा जो जेपी हॉस्पिटल जिला अस्पताल है उसको चयनित किया गया है.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.